Hello guys, welcome to Tech Tricks tutorial. In today's video, I will show you how to do speed ramping in Premiere Pro. Start by adding your clip to the timeline. To begin speed ramping, expand your video track so you can see the line that goes through it. Right-click on the FX box in the top left of your clip, then go to Time Remapping and choose Speed. Now, hold down the Control key on your keyboard and click on the line where you want your speed ramp to begin. This creates a speed marker. Next, drag the line after this marker up to increase speed or down to slow it down. Now, we have a speed change, but it's instant. To make it gradual, let's create a ramp effect by dragging the second half of the marker to the right. The further you drag, the slower the ramp effect. This will now give a smoother transition between speeds. To make it even smoother, select one half of the marker to reveal the handle point. Drag the top handle to the right if you're speeding up or left if you're slowing down to create a curve that smooths out the transition. If you want your clip to return to regular speed, create a second marker. Hold down Control, click the line where you want the slowdown to start, and drag the line after this point back to 100%. To ramp down smoothly, drag the second half of the new marker to the right, then use the handle to curve it for a softer transition. For a popular speed ramp effect, keep all your markers close together. Drag the last part of the line further down to create a slow motion effect instead of just returning to normal speed. For the best results with slow motion, especially at lower frame rates, you'll need to add optical flow. To do this, right-click the clip, go to Time Interpolation and select Optical Flow. Then, with the clip selected, go to Sequence, then Render Selection to make sure it plays smoothly. And that's it. Now you have a smooth speed ramp effect. Thanks for watching this tutorial. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe to our channel for more tech tips and tutorials.